Welcome to our True Glasgow property. I am now in one of our True apartment rooms, and these are the room styles that you'll find in our 5-bed apartments. So at our Glasgow property we've got 2 different styles. We've got one which is a 5-bed, so you have 5 ensuite bedrooms that will share a kitchen and a lounge, and we've got another one that is 6. The room layouts are slightly different in both, so if you want to have a look at both of them, no problem. We've got another video on YouTube, so feel free to have a look at the 6th bedroom as well. So for the 5-bedroom apartments, when you come into your room space, you'll see to the side that you have some coat hooks. Great for hanging your coat or your bag when you come in from university. And below your hooks, you will get your wall-mounted panel heater. So this is what's going to keep you nice and warm in the winter. You can control the heat of that yourself as well, so you can make it as hot or as cold as you would like your room to be. Then we walk on into the room space further, okay? Over this side, you will see that you have your wardrobe that will open on up, and you will notice that the wardrobe, you've got a really large cupboard to the top, a rail with obviously hanging space in the middle, and then some further shelves to the bottom. A good thing to know about these wardrobes is they go really far back, so you've got lots of kind of storage space that goes back into the cupboard space. So on the other side of your wardrobe, you will see that you've got a full-length mirror. Great to make sure that whatever you've picked from your wardrobe and you're wearing looks good before you leave your bedroom. A good thing to know about your mirror is to the side you have plug sockets, so you can use your hair stylers or hair straighteners and obviously style it in front of the mirror. Down here as well, you also get a side table / coffee table. So this you can move to where you would like it to be in your room space. So simply pick it up and put it wherever you want it to go. We've just popped it here for display purposes, okay? Then we walk into the main room space. So these rooms here are 17 square meters in size, and you've got a really good space with that. So here you can obviously see it's your desk space. We understand that you'll be doing a lot of studying whilst you're here with us in September, so we've made this a really nice space for you to have in your room. So you've got obviously a large tabletop, great for you to put all your books and your laptops whilst you're working. To the back you've got a pin board as well, so you can put your university timetable, your photos of loved ones, whatever you want, pin it up here. And then up here you've got 2 really large shelves, great for your folders, for your books, whatever you want. You can even put knickknacks and make your room look nice and homely. Then down here you have a very comfortable chair. It's got a great back support as well, so when you're doing your late night studying, it'll be nice and comfortable for you. And in your room space, you also get a waste paper bin. Then last but not least in this area, you get some drawers. Great for you to put your pens, notebooks, whatever you want, so it's out of your space as well. Or you can use them to store even more of your clothes as well. So around here as well, whilst I'm in this area, I'm going to show you that you have a really large blackout curtain. So this will pull all the way across and make your room nice and dark for if you want a nice lie-in or anything like that. Plus you can see you have floor-to-ceiling really large windows that let in an amazing amount of sunlight. Today it's a bit cloudy here in Glasgow, but when the sun's shining you will certainly see that sunlight in your room. These windows can also be opened as well, but there is a security lock so they can only go so far. Then we turn around and you get to your main space. Your bedroom wouldn't be a bedroom without your bed. So this is a full double bed. We don't do half measures, and it's also an ottoman. So what that means is simply lift up your bed and you have tons of storage underneath. You can put your suitcases, your boxes, your bags, whatever you want, put them in there and it's out of your way. They're on hydraulic springs, so really easy to lift up and down. To the back of your bed you get a very comfortable padded headboard, which is great if you're sitting in bed watching television. You've got 2 shelves to the top, and to the side you have plug sockets, some with a USB port, and you've also got a light switch to the bedroom lamp as well. Then behind me, this is the section that you will notice looks slightly undone. So as we are brand new to open in September, you will get a flat screen TV when you move into your room. We've not put them in yet just because we want them to be super safe before you arrive with us. So when you do arrive, you will get a flat screen TV. This is also a smart TV, so not only do you get the free view capability, so ITV, BBC, you name it, you've got that as like live TV, but you can also surf the web, look at Netflix, go on YouTube, and we've even got our True TV channel, so you can have a look to see what events we have coming up this week. You can log any maintenance issues or anything like that from the comfort of your bed. You don't even have to get out of bed to get in touch with the team. Then below your television you've got even more shelves. Great for you to put knickknacks on again and make this space nice and personal to you. And last but not least, I'm going to show you your ensuite bathroom that you get within your room space. So we're now going to show you your ensuite bathroom. So come on in. So these bathrooms are really luxurious. They are fully tiled throughout, and to this side you can see that you have a really large mirror which also lights up from the side if you wish to switch it on. You've got a sink here with under sink storage, great for you to store your toiletries and items down there, or you can store it on this really large top here. You've then got a toilet with an integrated flush, and you have towel hooks to the back, a towel rail here, and of course your walk-in shower with a rolling door with a waterfall shower head to the top and a side shower to the side.